to my future employer. My name is Catherine Fernandez Tenor. I am 39 years old from San Luis Agusan del Sur, Philippines. I am married, blessed with 4 children, age 18, 17, 10, and 7 years old. I am a high school graduate, and my previous work abroad was in Kuwait. I finished my 2 years contract, and my employer was a Kuwaiti citizen. They have 3 loving children, age 8, 7, and 4 years old. My duties and responsibilities is to take care of the children, cooking their meals every day, feeding, bathing, playing in or outdoor playground with the other kids, and we read book as well every day before they going to sleep. I help and teach them also to do their school activities and homeworks. I do household chores also, cleaning the house, washing dishes, laundry, ironing, gardening, car washing, take care of their household pets, and sometimes marketing. To my future employer, you are not regret if you hired me because I am kind, honest, trustworthy, hardworking, fast learner, flexible, and understanding. If you're giving me a chance to work for you, I am happily to my very best to fulfill my responsibilities and my duties, and I promise that I will take care of your children very well. Mom, sir, I'm hoping and praying that you consider my application as your helper. Thank you, and have a great day.